In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an event to Skool Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each field means, and how to make sure your event shows up clearly for your community. First, open Skool and head to the specific group where you want the event to live. Events belong to individual groups, so make sure you're in the right place before you start. Once you're inside your group, look along the top navigation and click the Calendar tab. This brings you to the group's schedule view, where upcoming and past events are organized by date. On the calendar page, find the plus button. It usually appears as a small plow icon that lets you create something new. Click that and you'll open the event creation form. This is where you'll enter the key details your members will see. Start with a clear, descriptive event title. Think of it like a headline, short but specific so people immediately understand what the session is about. Next, select the date. Use the date picker to land on the exact day you want. Then set the time the event will start. Be mindful of your time format, AM and PM versus 24-hour, and keep your audience's time zones in mind, especially if your group is international. After that, set the duration. This tells attendees how long to plan for, whether it's a quick 30-minute check-in or a 2-hour workshop. Now choose the location. You have 3 options: Skool Call, Zoom, or a physical address. Pick Skool Call if you want to host directly inside Skool and keep everything in one place for your members. Choose Zoom if your community is already used to joining through Zoom. If you're meeting in person, enter the physical address clearly so people can find it without confusion. Adding floor or room details can help prevent last-minute mix-ups. Before saving, take a moment to review your details. Confirm the date, the start time, and the duration, and make sure the location matches the format of your event. A quick double check now helps avoid rescheduling later. When everything looks good, click Add. Your event is now saved to the group's calendar and will appear on the date you selected. Members can view it when they visit the Calendar tab, and they'll see the title, time, duration, and location you provided. That's all it takes to create a clean, professional event on Skool. Keep your titles specific, your times accurate, and your locations clear, and your community will always know where to be and when to join.